Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting episode of Family Moments, where we use really cool object lessons
that teach the truth about what matters most.
Exactly. And today, we're going to have some fun with this.
A container? What are we going to do with that?
Wouldn't you like to know?
Yeah, I would like to know.
Well, then I'll tell you. What we're going to do is a little experiment, not just with one container, but using several containers, and we're going to have a little contest.
Contest? I love contests. Is it a trivia contest?
Well, no, what it is.
Or maybe it's a fishing contest. I love to fish.
Yeah, everybody likes to fish, but what we're going to do today...
Or maybe it's a beauty contest. Should I get my tiara?
Oh, no, you don't need to get your tiara out. What we're going to do...
Too late.
Ow, brother. Hey kids, Pastor Robbie here, along with my lovely assistant, Sadie.
Hello.
And today's special guests, Brenna, Elea, and Selah.
Hello!
And today, we're going to have some fun learning about covenant.
Covenant? What does that mean? It sounds like a church word.
Well, it is, kind of. A covenant is a promise, kind of like a contract.
Contract? Do I need to hire a lawyer?
Now, I said kind of like a contract, but not exactly. Let me put it this way. A covenant is more like a partnership.
Partnership. Okay, that's a word I understand.
And in the Bible, God formed several covenants with his people.
Why did he do that?
Because life is better together. We can accomplish a lot more with partnerships than we can by ourselves.
Are you sure?
Well, let me demonstrate this for you with a little object lesson I like to call Animal Cracker Stacker. And all we're going to need is 10 empty animal cracker containers. These animal cracker tubs can stack on top of each other, and the goal is to see who can stack all 10 of them. Selah, you're up first. Are you ready?
Yep.
Go for it. Oh, nice try. Elea, you're next. Go. Nice try. Looks like it's up to Brenna, though. Are you ready, girl? Go for it. Oh, no. Okay, we're going to try it again, only this time you guys are going to work together as a team. In fact, I might even help you out at the end. Let's see how well we can do together. Go for it. Life is so much better when we partner with someone, isn't it?
Yeah, and I'm guessing it's even better yet when we partner with God.
Exactly. Really, the whole theme of the Bible is a love story of God pursuing us for a partnership with him. He created each one of us and loves us so much.
And he hates sin.
Yeah, because sin separates us from him. In fact, one of the most famous covenants in the entire Bible happened with a guy and an ark. Do you guys remember that story?
Yeah.
Well, people in the world were sinning so badly that God decided to wipe them all out and start over. But there was one man described as righteous and who walked with God. Who was that?
Noah.
Bingo. And I think you know the story with the ark and the flood and the animals. And when it was all over, God made a covenant or a partnership with Noah and said he would never again destroy the world with a flood. And do you remember what he gave us as a sign to remember that promise?
A rainbow.
Correct. Let's take a look at today's verse. It comes from Genesis 9:16, where it says, "Whenever the rainbow appears in the clouds, I will see it and remember the everlasting covenant between God and all living creatures of every kind on the earth."
That's amazing.
God reminds us of our partnership with him with a miraculous rainbow.
It's too bad there's no rainbow out today.
Well, let's see if we can have some fun anyhow. How many people were there in the ark besides Noah?
5,
Good guess, but not quite.
2,
Nice try, but wrong again.
7.
Exactly. There were 7. Noah's wife, his 3 sons, and their wives. So let's use these 7 bottles filled with water. Each of you can hold 2 of them. Ready?
Yeah!
And I want you to hold it real still. And then when I count to 3, I want you to jump up and down until I say stop. It kept raining and raining. How many days did it rain?
40 days and 40 nights.
And then when the flood ended and God made the covenant with Noah, they were all pretty excited. And that's when they jumped up and down. Ready? 3, 2, 1, jump! And that's when God put a rainbow in the sky. Isn't that cool?
Dad, that is cool, except you're forgetting one thing.
What's that?
The verse said it happened in the clouds. I don't see any clouds out here.
Well, maybe we can fix that too. Let's take this hot water and pour it in this container and see what happens.
Oh my, now that's what I call a cloud.
Partnering with God is a beautiful thing. So, Sadie, what did you learn today?
I learned that God created and loves each one of us and wants to be in a partnership or covenant with us.
Exactly.
And in the story of Noah, he gave us a sign in the sky to remember that partnership that we still see today, a rainbow.
Very good.
Now, the girls and I thought it'd be kind of fun to make our own cloud, but we don't usually carry around a lot of dry ice. So instead, we made a smaller version by putting some baby powder on a few tin plates. See?
Oh, well, that's nice, but it doesn't look much like a cloud to me.
Well, no. You have to blow on it first, like this.
What? Ah. Can you believe that?
See, Dad, it's not bad, right?
Yeah. We'll see you around.